Beyond uptime, why these hosting companies made our list of bests. Unleash the power of your website with Hostwinds web hosting. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is essential for businesses, bloggers, and individuals alike. To succeed in the online world, you need a reliable web hosting provider that can meet your needs and expectations. Hostwinds is one such hosting provider that deserves your attention. In this review, we'll explore the key features and benefits of Hostwinds web hosting and why you should consider them for your website hosting needs. Why Hostwinds? When it comes to choosing a web hosting provider, there are several factors to consider. Hostwinds excels in several crucial aspects. 1. Blazing fast performance. Hostwinds web hosting is built for speed. Their high-speed servers ensure that your website loads quickly, keeping your visitors engaged and satisfied. With their powerful hardware and a variety of data center locations, you can serve your content to a global audience with minimal latency. 2. Stellar uptime guarantee. Downtime can be detrimental to your online presence. Hostwinds offers an impressive 99.9999% uptime guarantee, ensuring your website is accessible to your audience 24/7, 365 days a year. 3. Scalability and flexibility. Hostwinds understands that as your website grows, your hosting needs may change. Their hosting plans are designed to be scalable, allowing you to upgrade your resources as your website expands. This flexibility means you won't outgrow your hosting provider anytime soon. 4. Excellent customer support. Having reliable support is essential, especially for those new to web hosting. Hostwinds' support team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Their knowledgeable and friendly support staff is always ready to help. 5. User-friendly control panel. Hostwinds provides an intuitive control panel, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to manage their hosting environment efficiently. You don't need to be a technical expert to navigate and make changes to your hosting settings. 6. Secure hosting environment. Security is a top priority for Hostwinds. They offer free SSL certificates, daily backups, and robust firewall protection to keep your website and data safe from online threats. 7. Value for money. Hostwinds offers competitive pricing without compromising on quality, starting at $5.24 per month. Whether you're looking for shared hosting, VPS hosting, or dedicated servers, they have affordable options to suit your budget. Conclusion. In a highly competitive industry, Hostwinds stands out as a reliable and feature-rich web hosting provider. Their focus on speed, uptime, scalability, and customer support ensures that your website remains in safe hands. Whether you're a small business, a blogger, or an e-commerce site owner, Hostwinds has a hosting solution that can meet your unique requirements. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your online presence to the next level with Hostwinds web hosting. To learn more and get started, click the link below. Right finger click here to explore Hostwinds web hosting. Choose Hostwinds, and empower your online journey today.